Alright, you box breakers and pack rippers, welcome back to another special live episode of the Box Breakers here at Joe's Card Shop, Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles. We got a full house. We have the Lost Thunder, Sun and Moon. We just opened up. We have special guest star in with us today, Braydon. How you doing, Braydon?
I'm doing absolutely amazing. The box was awesome, both parts. Go check them out in order, of course.
That's
We've got
right.
some really spicy stuff. Highly recommend it.
And so Braydon is Braydon_Tropics on Twitter. He does graphic design stuff. If you need help with logo design, web design, overlays, yeah,
Twitch overlays, thumbnails for videos. I do all that. If you guys need anything, hit me up.
And Devin just showed up as well. You might remember him from our super lucky GX hits we did for the Pokemon Prerelease. Devin, what's up?
Hello, hello.
Yeah, there he is. You recognize the voice? All right, here we go. So this episode, we have Pokemon Sun and Moon Lost Thunder Elite Trainer Box. What's special in this one, Braydon?
Well, the special thing is that it comes with 8 packs, so not as much as a booster box, but you get dice, energy, sleeves, dividers.
See you, Abe.
See ya, guys.
Yeah, a bunch of other fun stuff. And you also get a book showing everything that's in the set, including...
Oh, there's even sweet artwork
it's
inside.
all
Look at that.
artwork on the box. On every pack, that's all the artwork. So if you flip it around, you can see what is inside of the booster box. No. There we go.
here.
We can see what was inside of the Elite Trainer box.
Very cool. All right.
Fun fact, the first ever Elite Trainer box was the Plasma Storm Elite Trainer box. Is the only one that came with a deck box.
Oh, there's the net ball. We got one of those and sold that.
We got the Electro Ball.
Oh, we got the Electrode Power. We've had 2 of those. The Tyranitar. We've seen that one.
Yeah.
This is cool. So it just shows you all the cards.
Faba, full art, beautiful card. If you want to know more about that, check part 2 of the opening.
Nice. Okay.
Really cool. I really like these books. Helps like newer players get to know everything. Helps them get gives them like a base, like a platform to push themselves up. It's for more collectors and more for players that are starting to get in. Because I collect the Elite Trainer boxes. I love them. I think they're great.
They're on clearance, I think, at Target.
Yeah, there's some of them, like the older sets are.
Yeah,
awesome.
okay, those are just older sets.
Yeah.
Okay.
They had Lost Thunder on clearance. Shoot, you'd see me there already.
Yeah.
Then we get the code. The codes actually come with the codes online. Give you a deck box, sleeves, and I think something else.
We should give away the code right now.
Yeah, go for it.
Unless you need it. You want it?
A little bit, but
You want it?
Let's give it to him. Let's give it to him.
No, you have it. Braydon,
Alright.
you take it.
All right.
All right,
Let's
sorry
see what we
guys.
get.
We give away lots of stuff, but this is...
Yeah, if you go check out the Lost Thunder, you get how many packs? 36 codes.
Yeah, we gave out every code in that one. So
it's
if you want codes, you guys can hit us up. We give away cards as well. We'll send them out to you for free. I mean, we don't mind sharing our stuff that's not in our value. Okay, what do we got here? These are
Dividers.
just some dividers, okay? We got a pack
Energy for
of
you.
energy,
You
which
always need that.
you know we give those out on the Box Breakers. Make sure you guys hit like and subscribe and that notification bell because we do upload almost daily. I say almost daily, but we have not missed a single day yet, and usually multiple videos, but I like to use the word almost in case I do
Just
miss a
give
day.
that leeway, yeah.
That's right.
We also have the sleeve, and the Pokemon that is shown on the box and on the sleeves is Zero Aura.
Nice.
It's a pure electric type, got a GX in the set. If we pull it, we can talk about it.
All right.
Pretty good.
We're going to do, this will be in our giveaway. So we're
Okay.
doing free giveaways all the way to 1,000 subs.
Really?
And
That's
some
awesome.
people like Magic, some people like Yu-Gi-Oh, some people like sports, whatever.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is, as we hit each milestone, we're going to let the person who wins pick their prize.
Oh, I
So
like
we've
that.
got a whole group. We've got a mat from our Dragon Magistry we're giving away.
Oh, really?
We have, from Magic, we have a pack of full art lands. That's about a $20 value.
Really? Okay.
That one's reserved for the 1,000 sub mark. We've got an old 86 Tops Ryan Sandberg card.
Really?
That in a 10, it's a $600 card.
Wow.
Ours is not a 10, but still,
Yeah.
we're giving that away as an option. We got all sorts of stuff. So anyway, the way it works is every comment counts as an entry into the video. And so we'll randomly select one video, and then we'll randomly select one comment from that video.
Really?
And that's how you get in for each of the milestones.
Huh.
And so we'll probably give these away as an option as well. These are...
GX counter, as always.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. And some
And then
dice.
we get the dice, only unique to this set. You can't get them anywhere else except in the late Turner boxes. And our 8 packs.
8 packs, okay. What are you feeling? What are you feeling? Let's look at some of the artworks.
I sort them out by each Pokemon, and then I pick them like out of a pack. So let's go with...
Alright, they're running in order.
Let's go
1, 2, 3. You like the...
Yeah, let's go with that. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Or this one?
No.
That one.
Yeah.
There you go. Thanks, Braydon.
We got...
Thanks for joining us. Thanks for your help in the other 2 parts.
I thoroughly enjoyed this. I love doing it.
Well, I wish you'd get back into it yourself. Braydon used to do videos himself.
I used to be a Let's Player.
A what?
A Let's Player. I used to play Pokemon ROMs, and I'd play through. My old YouTube account was Norway Bob. That's my screen name I used to go by.
Norway Bob.
Yep.
Is it still active?
Yeah. Eventually want to get a new computer, a better one at that. I can put up more higher quality videos. Because I don't want to give the people a video that isn't my best.
Right. Gotcha.
There's the
Mixed herbs. We saw that. Electabuzz, we've seen that. Here's the Meowth. We've seen that one a few times.
Almost won me a whole pre-release with this.
Right. Abe just happened to squeak him out.
Yep.
Jigglypuff.
I'm a read, man.
I see something dark.
I
see something dark.
Celebi Prism Star.
Nice.
It's one of the pack arts, actually. One of the pack art Pokemon, as you can see right here.
Oh, cool.
It's not that bad. It's a pretty good card.
Yeah.
Prism Star's a Prism Star. It's a hit.
Yeah, a couple bucks.
Yeah. You got the Houndoom.
Houndoom, we talked about that in part 1 or 2.
Both, actually.
Yeah.
Pulled one in one.
We talk. Yeah, we like Houndour just because we're dog lovers here on the Box Breakers. But anyway, there's Houndoom. All right. Next, should we go with the same one?
Yeah, let's keep on going.
All right.
The Cephalon is the pack art that we're going with right now.
Yeah, we got a full house here at Joe's Card Shop, Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles. A lot of people come in here on Mondays to play Pokemon, so if you're looking for a spot to play, hit them up. They're on Facebook. We show their card in almost all our videos. They take really good care of us here.
Amazing care.
Yeah.
Very respectful. They're like family to us.
That's right.
Absolutely love them. Got the best selection of stuff ever in the state. Beautiful. No, I'm serious. Like, he's got some stuff out there that he doesn't show, but if you ask for it, he's got it. He's got that much inventory. Ariados, not bad. Fairy Charm.
Professor
Another
Elm.
Elm's Lecture, not bad. That's a great card.
Litwick, Chikorita.
Lost March Natsu, always good.
Another. So there's the Houndour that we were talking about. My personal favorite card here on the Box Breakers. Bayleaf.
And then what's our rare gonna be? Shaman Hollow, not bad. Not a bad card, not a bad card.
All right,
Like
which?
you choose.
Yeah.
Let you choose.
Let's see. I'm feeling this little guy right back here. Yeah. Yep.
Celebi?
Yeah, and so on Mondays they play Pokemon, then on Fridays they play
It alternates between
Yu-Gi-Oh!
And Dragon Ball.
Dragon Ball, but we've heard rumors.
We've heard rumors, not confirmed yet, but we've heard rumors that Magic is also going to be making a permanent appearance here at Arizona Trading Cards Collectibles. Let's see if we get something good out of this. Turbo Toots 2.0, Giraffe Rig, Skiddo, love me some Skiddo. There's
Onyx, seen about 10 of those, that's alright.
Great card, there's Turbo Toots.
1.0, always followed by Pineco. Have you noticed that yet?
I noticed that. It's really
That's
weird.
the sequencing. So Joe was asking us earlier, do you see any sequences?
I'm starting
We
to
see them in
sequences,
old sports cards as well.
Lecture and then Trumbeak usually sequence together. Which is really
Okay,
odd.
check this out.
Morty,
We got
reverse.
Morty in a reverse hollow.
Beautiful.
Nice.
And then we got
Steelix.
We recently pulled one of my teammates. We pulled a full art Morty from our booster box we opened off screen. Very beautiful card, but if you want to see a better full art, go watch part 2 of the Lost Thunder booster box opening.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Lost March. I thought about Lost March. I was going to look to see what I had.
I love that Ariados artwork.
Yeah, that's cool.
Very cool. He's just chilling on top of the rocks.
Fairy Charm.
Pop it. That's a good card.
Always followed by Pick a Peck.
Oh, I've noticed that. It's really weird.
And Durant, usually right in there.
There's our Fanfare. One of the best looking cards. Wobbuffet's actually really good.
Nice, and there's something good back here.
Oh.
You ready for it?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Another Ninetales.
Another Ninetales.
That's our second one. If you watch part 1 of our Lost Thunder
Wow.
openings.
Let me let's just show it to you here real quick.
A quick little overview about Alolan Ninetales. It's probably the second best card out of the set, right next to Blacephalon. Being that when you evolve this Pokemon from your hand onto one of your Alolan Vulpixes, you may search your deck for 2 trainer cards and put them into your hand. So it adds so much extra speed, so much extra consistency to your decks, that really just makes it better. And then its GX attack lets you just straight up knock out Ultra Beast.
Wow.
Really, really important right
Awesome.
now. With an Ultra Beast heavy format.
Wow.
So that was a great pack.
Awesome
Look at you
pack.
go. This is like a Hall of Fame
So
box.
that was like a $40, yeah, Hall of Fame box, not just the pack, but so for $40.
That's not bad at all.
Right, that's what those cost us.
For now, yeah. Gotta sell them
Wow.
fast.
Wow.
That comes out.
Houndour. We've got a lot of Houndours. And Profile.
Hoipole's not bad.
Avatar, Tangela.
Data, not bad.
Okay, this is kind of out of order. I didn't
Yeah,
do
you
the
didn't do it.
order.
It's alright.
I always forget. So this next card could be good.
Heat Tram? Is that a hollow?
It is a hollow,
It is
yeah.
a hollow. Okay. Not bad. Just
Not
regular
bad.
hollow. Nothing too crazy about him. Ooh, a Netball and a Whitley.
Pretty good pack there then.
Yeah, not bad. Never hurts getting a hollow. That's a hit. Not the hit we want, but it's a hit, right?
Right, they add up. The hits keep adding up.
Very true. Now, let's do the trick. There we go.
Yeah, they don't have the trick in Magic, and I've been opening some Magic packs,
Oh, geez.
so I forget it.
Hypnotic. Aether,
There's the employees.
Combi. Litleo. I love that Cutiefly artwork. Eevee. Oh, Tangela
Tangela.
reverse. And what do we have next? Pyroar. I think that's actually the first ever female Pyroar card ever printed. Because the male Pyroar has more of like a mane on it, like the traditional line. The female has. Yeah, we put it
Oh,
over
there.
here.
I don't know.
That's fine. But yeah, that's the difference you can tell, because the female just has it on the top. Well, the male has a
Full-on mane.
mane, yeah. Pyro doesn't get enough love, sadly, in my mind. It's a good looking
Must not have the good usability or something.
Yeah.
All right, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Survey says. Trumbeak, great card for Lost March.
Pupitar. I haven't seen this.
Yeah, we pulled a couple of
Did
them.
we?
Yep.
You want that or
Why not? Put them in the pile.
Diglett?
Trico,
Trico.
not bad. Chansey, love the artwork. Pachirisu, another clay. Donphan reverse.
Nice, check that out.
Beautiful.
See anything you like, Devin? Did you see this one?
You pulled another
Another, that's the second one.
today.
Hey, that's pretty
Yeah,
good.
we pulled 2. We've now pulled 2. This came out of the trainer box.
And the final card?
Will be a
Butterfly. Oh, Beautifly. I was like, Butterfly. All right, last pack.
We've pulled almost everything we need for the Lost March deck, except for the one card that we need the most, being Jumpluff. Pulled everything else for it, except the Skiploom and the Jumpluff.
Didn't you guys just open like 3 boxes and no one pulled that though?
I pulled one.
You pulled one?
I pulled one Jumpluff. Well, Ernie and I did. We shared it.
We shared it.
Rip it in half and you share it, you each get 1/2.
Pretty much. So let's see what this final pack Magic has got for us. Magirna.
Lost Blender.
Great card. Silcoon trying to run away from you. Pikachu, Tangela. Love that Vulpix artwork. Schnabel. Marini, a Meloetta rare reverse, and our final card is Primarina. That's not bad though. We got a great card that basically paid for the whole.
This basically paid for our whole box. And this one's super cool too.
You can never go wrong with the Prism Star.
Nice.
So that was a pretty solid box.
Yeah,
Not
how do you
bad.
guys think we did? Let us know in the comments. If you, like we were talking about earlier, we're doing free giveaways, so make sure you comment. Hit the notification bell. We upload almost daily. We're always appreciative of Joe and Abe here at Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles for letting us film live. Super appreciative of our special guest star, Braydon.
Thank you for having me on.
It's
always
not
a pleasure.
Brandon, and it's not Braydon. It's Braydon.
Yes, sir.
_ Tropics. Unlike Devin, I spelled his name Devon. Nothing. I'm just telling him how I misspelled your name. Devon. Anyway, check out Braydon on Twitter, and if you need anything graphics-wise, he's your man. If you need cards, talk to Joe. Hit him up on Facebook. Thanks, Joe. Thanks, Abe. Thanks, Braydon.
Thank you very much
Thanks
for
to all
having me
the
on.
subscribers.
Always a pleasure.
All right, so I don't know what we're going to break next. We may break into this one. This is a $70 box of Topps Inception. It comes with 7 cards, and it costs $70. So that's $10 a card. I think we're going to do that one next.
All right.
Just for fun.
All right.
For funsies. All right, we'll see you guys next time here on the Box Breakers. Thanks, guys.
Is
Later.
same thing as thing, right?